Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking portable monitor. It is done by a company called Lepow. It is modeled Z1 and it is 1080p Full HD with USB Type-C connection to it, and it's a computer display that is very good for your eyes. It has the IPS eye care screen with it. Also have another connection so you can connect it to your regular laptops or to your gaming stations. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, it's time. Click the subscribe button. Share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon and select all in order for you to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos every time in a little more detail. Already you can see that the box is nicely designed, and once we open it, and take everything out, and here are all the components with a few little more that we're going to show in this video. So it comes with this screen protector, nice warranty card, has all the information in the back that you need. It also comes with this little paper. That means is they're going to give you support 24/7. It comes with this power adapter, and this one is 5V 2 amps, and you can see the back is USB 2.0. The other side is created for Canada and United States. It also comes with this FAQ little guide. That way you're going to get a lot of your questions answered. And it also comes with this quick user guide, which is pretty thick, and you can see that it has a lot of information covered in this. But let's go from page 1, and there you go. It talks about everything. So if you need all of this, it's available on their website, but you can go through the package content, also monitor introduction, which we will cover most of these in this video. When you're applying the actual screen protector, there is a little patch installation cleaning kit that is part of it. Now it also comes with this little USB 2.0 to USB Type-C connection, so this way you will be able to place your monitor into electricity, so that way it will turn on. Now it also comes with this USB Type-C to USB Type-C wire. This is about 1/2 meter, which is pretty cool, so you can put your something like Nintendo Switch or your phone on the display so you can play with it. Now it also comes with this other wire. This part is a regular HDMI to a mini HDMI, so this way you will be able to play with the monitor properly. So this part you can connect to your Android box or to your laptop, and this part will be connecting to the actual monitor so you can play with it, and this way you will get the proper picture. Now here is the actual monitor. So we will just take it out. Now this monitor already comes with a little cover. Now when you open it, you will be able to see the actual monitor. And there you go. This is how it looks. Alright, so let's cover everything with the actual case and then the monitor, that how everything sits together. Now this top part has a little magnet. So when you go to it, it just snaps on, and that's how easy it is to set that part up. And then the bottom part has these little cuts, so your choice of how much you want to angle the actual monitor, and you can set it up properly. So you can see this is the power button, and then this one is for volume up and down, and also when you're in the settings, it will help you out to set your settings. And then you have the power USB Type-C is right there. Now the name in the front has been written really nicely. You can see it. So when you go on the other side, you have a one headset jack, you have one USB Type-C connection, and you also have a mini HDMI connection. And then when you go a little bit up, you will see the speakers that are on the side of it. Now same thing goes on the other side. You have some speakers. Now the screen itself has some bezels around it. Towards the bottom you have a bigger bezel. Now I really like that little design that they have put through for the corners. Alright, so enough talk about this. Let's get this connected. So I really like this little part that you can use this as a dual monitor. In this way, your laptop could be used anywhere on the go. So while you're making your videos, this is a perfect part so you can use your actual Android box and you can display it on the screen. It looks beautiful. So there are some menu options that you can just press the volume control, and there you go, it comes up. And then you can fix your brightness, also the image, and also you can go to color temperature. Also, if you want to fix the OSD settings, if you want to reset the rotating, and also the volume if it is low, and also you can fix some miscellaneous settings. So right now you can see that this is reading it as 720p, and this is where you will be able to go in and you can change the HDMI, also the blue light. You can click on it and you can see, set it up so it can get blue or it can get in a really warm temperature. I'm gonna leave it off. And also if you want to go to the second section of it, you will be able to do it very easily, which is the HDR on. There you go, which is a lot better, or HDR off. So you can change it on auto, which is a perfect thing to do. Now don't expect the sound to be very, very high. Let me just turn on the light on this, and here you go. So this is very near to it, and you can see on one side of the speaker what type of numbers I'm getting. And if I have to move it on the other side, now if I have to bring it a little bit back, so I like this gaming set that I have set up. I will go to it and I will try to play a game. And there you go, now it's just booting up. So while you're playing this, I have to mention that the HDR is on and also the voice is on. Now the voice is always something that you can manage to bring down or bring up. Right now it's on default, but the voice on the actual device, as you can see that it is all the way on the top. So that's one thing that I have to mention, and I'm going to test that in a few seconds to show you guys how good of a sound this speaker have just by itself. Again, it shouldn't be that high because this is, again, it's just a portable monitor and the speakers are not that big. But I will try to play this and also talk. This is a little bit hard to do. All right, so this is called Dext. So I used my Samsung S20 Ultra hooked up to the monitor. You can see that it is USB Type-C here, and same thing goes on a side part of it. Now the best part is that when I hook up my touchpad, you can see there's the touchpad, and when I move my finger, you can see the cursor moving on the actual screen. So if I have to go and select the apps, beautiful, it just comes up. So now I can go through and I can play with it very, very easily and very quickly. So now I have a full access of my phone on the actual monitor. So this way, very easily, I'm able to use my actual phone as a regular computer on the screen. So if I have a computer keyboard, I can hook it up and I can put my phone aside, and then I can use my keyboard to go through and type and select certain things on the screen to make it very easy and reliable to use. So this monitor is beautiful. All the links will be available in the bottom where you can order it from, except that if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.